Hello, first grade mathematicians. Welcome to your math job for today. This week, we have been working on combining 2D shapes and taking them apart to find the hidden shape. Today, you are going to use what you know about how shapes fit together to create your very own monster or robot. You've been given some 2D shapes. Cut the 2D shapes out to create your very own character. Then record the shapes that you used. For example, for my eyes, I used circles. For the body, I used 2 squares to create a rectangle. For the legs, I used rectangles. For the mouth, I drew an oval. For the arms, I used triangles. And for the feet, I used triangles as well. You can see that I did not give my monster a nose or ears, so I just left those blank. I cannot wait to see how you combine 2D shapes and what you will create. Have fun, first graders!